Ready, set, torque. The new Enerpac BTW-Series battery torque wrench delivers portable, accurate, and repeatable torque up to 6,000 foot-pounds. Breathtakingly simple to use, and with models available with 3/4 to 1/2 inch square drive sizes, the BTW can be used in almost any bolting scenario. Undergoing one of the most comprehensive pre-programming and calibration processes on the market, this outstanding wrench delivers pinpoint precision of plus to minus 5% accuracy throughout the entire torque range. With an intuitive digital display, you can set your torque target swiftly and tighten with ease. Its compact, handheld design can help transform every operator into a solo torque expert, doubling the productivity of two-man bolting teams. And with ergonomic features like the anti-slip pistol grip, convenient trigger, and planetary gear design, the BTW series is engineered so you can torque with complete confidence and comfort. Supplied with two CAS-compatible 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and a 60-minute fast charger, the BTW delivers power that lasts. And now, for more demanding jobs, you can work for even longer with an optional 8-amp-hour battery. Ready, set, torque. The new BTW Series battery torque wrench from Enerpac. Buy now at enerpac.com.